Now today we will study again chapter 1 large number mathematics series. Topic question number first, write the number and number name for each abacus. Here you see that 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2, 3, 1, and in last 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And B 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. At one's position, 6 circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10th position also 6 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1000 position 3 circle, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 10,000 also 3. Now, first we count the number of circles at different positions. At one's position, there are 8 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we write it here. At 10th position, no circle, we write 0. 100 position, 1 circle, we write 1 here. 10,000 position, 1000 position, 3 circle, we write 3. 10,000, 2, and at lakhs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, number name 5 lakh 23,000 108 108. Okay, and B in question B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 circles at once. 10th position 6 also 6 circles, 100 no circles, we write 0. 1000 plus 3, 10,000 plus 3, and lakhs 0. Now we write the number name 33,000 then 66. Okay, understand? Very good. Now here you say 8 million. A right number for the number name. 5 lakhs 15,000 and 10. Now for the 8 million 240,000 100. 1 Understand? Very good. Now we solve question number 3rd. Write in the expanded form. Write in the expanded form. Expanded for. Okay. 554 308 and B written write in the standard form. Write in the standard form. For 50,290 plus 4. Okay. Third, write in the expanded form. 5,54,300. First, we write in this way. 5 lakh plus 50,000 plus 300 plus 2. Okay. Now we write in standard form. Now we add these expanded form. 6,50,290. Okay. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4. A, write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Order. $56,305. 6,35,000. 673. 6,35,000. 99. 7 lakh. Now ascending order. In ascending order, first we write the smallest number and in last biggest number. Here you see the smallest number 66,305. Then greater number here 6,35,099. Then 6,35,673 and last 7,35,999. Okay. Now B part, write in descending order. B, write in descending order. Numbers are 8,82,141, 99,891, 6,87,458. Okay, 9,10,110. Descending order. In descending order, first we write biggest number and in last the smallest number. Okay. Now here you see that Biggest number 9,10,110. 9,10,110. Then is smaller number 8,82,141. Next 6,87,458. And in last 99,898. Okay, understand? Now we solve. Question number 5. Round the numbers. Round the numbers. Round the numbers. E. Food has to be arranged. Food has to be arranged for 478 guests at a wedding party. Nearest 100. Here you see that 478 is nearer to 500. Okay, so when we round it, we get 500. Understand? In this way, 400, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 470 and 480. 478 lie here and it is nearer to 500. Now when we round off 478 to nearest 100, we get 500. Understand? Now next question. B. The population of a town is of a town is 60, 65, 301. Nearest 1,000. Here you see that population of 60 lakh, 65,000, 301. We round this number to the nearest 1,000. We check 100 place. Sixty, 65, 301. 100 position, 3, and 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Okay. Therefore, there is no change at 1,000 position. So we get 60, 65,000. 60 lakh, 65,000. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. A. Write in Roman system. Write in Roman system. Write in Roman system. Okay. 98 XCVII. Okay. B, write in Hindu Arabic system. Write in Hindu Arabic system. XLIV 44. Okay. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7. Mental maths. Mental maths. What is a the place value of 5? The place value of 5 in 4586, 4586, 39. Here you see that 5. Now we write 5 first. Right? Now after 5 we count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and we put to the right of 5 4 zeros. Now place value of 5 50,000. B 1299 rounded to the nearest, rounded to the nearest, rounded to the nearest 100. When we round 1299 to nearest 100, first we check tens position. It is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Now 1 added to 2, we get 1300. Okay. C 1299 rounded to the nearest 1000. Rounded to the nearest 1000 is equal to, for 1000 we check 100 position, it is 2 and 2 is less than 5. There is no change at 1000 position, so we write 1000. Or we can say that 1299 nearer to 1000, so we write here 1000. Okay. Now B, the predecessor of 1000 is equal to, the predecessor of 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is equal to 3 lakhs minus 1. What is 2,99,990? Okay. The predecessor of 3 lakhs is equal to 2,99,999. Okay. Now E, the Roman numeral for 29 is equal to XXIX. Understand? XXIX. Okay. Now come on mathematics B. Mathematics B. Mathematics B. B. MCQs. Question number 1. The estimated value of 1987 plus 5248 by rounding each number to nearest 10 is option A 7250, option B 7240, option C 7230, option D 7235. Okay, when we round up 1987 to nearest 10, we get 1990. Because 7 is greater than 5, now 1 added to 8, we get 1990. And when we round 5248 to nearest 10, we get 5240. Now add it 0, 13, 12, 7230. 7230. C option is the right option. Now 2. How many lakhs are there? How many lakhs are there in a million? 1, 10, 100, and 1,000. In 1 million, there are 10 lakhs. Now, question number 4. The third, 45,789 is bigger than which of the following numbers? Which of the following numbers? Okay. A 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. B 55, 7, 8, 9. C 46, 7, 8, 9. And D 45, 6, 8, 9. Here you see that option D is less than this number. Okay. So 45,789 is bigger than 45,689. Okay. Now question number 4. Which of the following is a valid Roman number? Which of the following is a valid Roman number? Valid Roman number. A 4 times I, 3 times B, 3 times X, and B 2 times I. Here C option is the right option, because we cannot write 3 more than 3 times. We cannot repeat B, but we can write X up to 3 times, and we can't write L more than 1 time. Okay. Thank you, students.